Hey guys, Jason here. Today we're going to test the Agitator dogs on a Kenmore washer that doesn't agitate. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we won't be needing any tools. Before we get started, please remember that safety always comes first. Always make sure to unplug your appliance before working on them. And while you're at it, turn off the water supply as well. To access the Agitator dogs, we're just going to simply lift the lid and we'll see everything we're going to check right there. Grab the Agitator and spin it clockwise at least 3 full turns around. It should spin free and the lower agitator shouldn't move. Now spin the top of the Agitator in a counterclockwise direction at least 3 full turns around. It should catch and spin the lower portion of the Agitator. If the top of the Agitator spins freely in both directions, then the Agitator dogs have worn down and need to be replaced. Don't forget to plug your washer back in and turn your water back on. If you need to replace the Agitator dogs, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to get new ones. Most orders arrive in 2 business days, and we have tons of videos to help you install your new parts. In the meantime, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you'll see all our newest videos. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.